In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a tire on a blown tire of a boat trailer holding a 16,000 pound boat, which is about 8 ton. So each side would be about 4 ton, and a normal jack, let's just say, is probably a 2 ton, 3.5 ton jack. I don't have one, so what I'm going to do is I brought 4x6s and a couple 2x4s. I'm going to drive it up on this lumber here, and that'll take the third wheel off the ground and elevate it so I can get the spare on. Here's how it works. I'll show you quick. Okay, as you can see, I pulled the trailer forward a few feet to get it on my blocks of wood. Now that third axle tire is free floating. I will be able to easily remove that tire. Look how bad and torn up that is. It only happened less than a mile ago, and you can see how it chewed up into the fender too. Right there on the left. I'm also noticing the caliper and the center wheel broke off. I didn't notice it in this picture, this video, but I noticed it when I got back. So here, let me zip that tire off and put the spare on. All right, I got that on there. I'm gonna tighten these up. So there we go. New tire on. My ramp worked. It's basically 4x6s. Old tire is gone.